pull it back a little. Is that better? Hey, you throwing snowballs at me, man? Got me in my leg over there. Oh. You throwing snowballs at me over there, little guy? Oh. Got me. Let me button up at least.
Oh, it's on your foot.
Yeah?
Let's fight back.
I can't fight back.
Why?
I don't know what I do with my gloves. Does the snow get it in your gloves?
No.
Okay, come on. You and Maya can fight. Remember, I got a broken leg?
Oh. I can't see with it.
Here, I'll help you. Come here. Come.
I can't see, Aiden.
That better? Keep this covered. Hold on. Okay. That better?
You can't come in here.
Don't come near her. Oh, put your hoodie on, Aiden. She got you in the head. I'm not involved in this. It's just you two.
Aiden, do you want to make a snowman? Yeah. Oh, I know how. Look, make a snowball.
Make a snowball and roll it.
Yeah, that's what you do.
You gotta roll it. Look what Maya's doing. Go roll it on the grass. See if it'll become bigger. What?
Wow.
Is it becoming bigger?
Look.
Yeah, it is, Aiden. Look. Keep rolling it. You gotta roll it like this.
Started really.
See?
I need help.
Okay.
It's getting hard. Oh.
Oh.
Daddy, look, it got bigger.
Yeah, I know.
Where are my seashells?
They're under the snow.
Oh, I found one.
Yeah?
Oh, look. Aiden, look. The seashells. Daddy, uncover them. Daddy, I can make something with this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wait.
Don't take it out. Don't take the seashell out. My grandma's gonna be upset.
No, I'm gonna put it back.
You're not gonna be able to put it back. Don't take it out again.
Look. And take it out.
Yeah?
Snowball fight. Can you help me make parts of it?
Yeah, I'm making the bottom. You make the top, all right?
Yeah, but it's hard. I'm making the middle. It has to be round. That's hard.
We're gonna make a mini snowman, not a big one.
Why?
We don't have enough snow.
Can we use all of the snow that's around here?
Yeah.
But, and look how big it's getting. Yeah. Tell me when it's good, because I'm making the middle. And look. And you make the head.
Yeah, Aiden, you make the head. This is the bottom over here.
Yeah, this is the middle. We gotta get sticks.
Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, this is his
But
bottom.
We don't have a carrot. So I can use a seashell.
Yeah, this is his bottom, okay? Okay.
This is the head.
Okay, make it round. Wait.
No,
Okay.
it has to be bigger.
Make it a little bit bigger. Roll it some more.
Is that you think it's good?
Yeah, that's good. Stack it on there. Careful, don't fall on the bushes. Yeah, that's good. Okay, wait. Let Maya put that down. Okay. He's a little dirty. Okay, put it up here. All right. Okay, that's a no question.
Can we use seashells as the eyes and the nose?
I think his head is too small. Maybe we could
I'll
put.
make it bigger.
Okay.
Because we have like more snow.
Maya's gonna make your head a little bigger, okay? So you guys can put seashells and stuff like that. Doing a burnout.
I almost hit that die.
Don't do that. All right, I think that's big enough, Maya. Okay. Yeah.
And watch this.
Okay. Now, what are we gonna make the eyes with?
What a seashell.
Seashell's too big. Why don't we find like a rock or maybe M&M or something?
Wait, Dad, can we use snow? It does right here.
Yeah, but you're not gonna be able to see it. I know you got me right there. Let's find something colorful.
Okay.
Maybe we'll go in the house. Yeah, let's make his hands first. Come here. Come, guys. Come. Yeah, I got 2 right here.
Yay!
Stop.
So what? Look, see? We're gonna break it. For your arm. Oh! And get another. Aiden, you get the other one.
Here. He's got long arms.
Yes. And a tiny.
Is that Ola?
Yes. We need something for no. Yeah.
You guys don't have no carrots left over?
No.
Okay.
Wait, I left over carrots from lunch.
Yeah? Alright, so maybe we'll go inside and grab a nose for him.
Okay.
Don't go over there. Don't go in their yard. Don't go in their yard. The ladies mean. Aiden, come over here.
Eyes and nose.
Okay, eyes. How about we make it out of M&M's later?
Yeah. We don't have M&M's.
We got candy in the house.
But Dad, let's find something around.
Alright, I have an idea. You want to put some cookies on his eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, Aiden, you put one. Maya put one. Here's one eye. Here's another eye.
How did you bring? Why did you bring?
You left it in my pocket from school.
No.
It's good. That's good. That's good. And now we just need a carrot for the nose and a mouth, right?
Rock.
I think we should grab a carrot that you have from lunch because it's nice and orange and you can see it.
Okay.
We're going later, not now. Let's clean the sidewalk.
Okay, but I can't. Dad, just pick it up. Throw it over here. Aiden.
Get off the street, Aiden. Get on the sidewalk.
There.
You guys don't know where your other shovel is? Yeah, I only found one. I'm sorry. It's not back there. I only found one. Are you gonna clean Grandpa's car? Put it on the grass. Don't put it here. We gotta walk here.
Then give me all this.
Yeah.
Get this off. This should be happening on Christmas.
Yeah.
Another snowman.
Yeah, if you want, you can start rolling it up. I can't do it with my hands.
Here.
Yeah, whatever you want. My hands are freezing. Aiden, you want the shovel?
Yeah.
Come.
I'll go clean the car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, careful. You okay?
Yeah.
You guys are not cold yet?
No.
That ski mask is pretty cool, right? Keep this on.
I can't see them.
Okay, I'll fix it. That better?
Yeah.
All right, wait.
Body camera.
I'm videotaping you guys. When I'm an old man, I can remember this.
I'm just not so cool.
When you guys are all big and got your own kids, we could look back